Hey guys, this is the history of Linux project. It's a new project on GitHub that is really interesting. It starts with the birth of a multitasking operating system called Unix in 1969. It was created by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie at AT&T Bell Labs. It was later rewritten in C programming language in 1973. In 1977, the University of California, Berkeley began developing its own Unix distribution called BSD. It had features like virtual memory. In 1980s, companies like Sun Microsystems began selling the first microcomputer-based workstations which were running Unix. In 1983, Richard Stallman, also known as RMS, launched the GNU Project. The goal was to create a complete, free and Unix-like operating system, including compilers, editors, and other tools, and that would be under GPL license. In 1985, Intel released the 80386 processor. This was the first 32-bit CPU in its line, and the processor Linus Torvalds would use later to develop his kernel. In 1987, Andrew S. created MINIX, a Unix-like operating system intended for educational use. This system directly inspired Linus Torvalds. And finally, in 1991, Linus, a Finnish student, began work on his own operating system kernel as a personal project. He was inspired by MINIX and it used 386 processor. He announced his project, which would become Linux, in August of 1991. The goal is to create a graphical timeline of Linux and make it the source of truth for teaching Linux history.